Hi, I'm Robert Raver, a Principal Solutions Architect with Media and Entertainment. I'm going to walk you through our demo of modernizing workflows through content understanding with a Media Lake on AWS. I'm going to walk you through Media Lake's user interface briefly before reviewing the architecture and walking through it step by step. Here is Media Lake's user interface. We've had the ability to have agents along with pipelines and semantic search via the search input. Here, if you go to agents, you can see a set of agents listed that we've created. These agents are automatically created at build time with Media Lake. What we're doing is we have a coordinator agent that allows you to have a conversational interface with through Media Lake. That coordinator agent works with these role-based agents like image editor, video understanding, or asset distribution to accomplish tasks. The integrations that you have with Media Lake can also become agents to that particular service. So here with video understanding, you can see that we have a sub-agent for Amazon Bedrock 12 Labs Pegasus model. This will allow you to have multi-turn conversational interfaces with your assets. Here, you can still have the semantic search that allows you to be able to search and find assets and enter them through a natural language term. In Media Lake, you have a conversational interface now that will let you interact with the Media Lake and the different agents. For example, I just opened up the conversational interface or the chat interface. In here, I could type things like, "Hi, what can you do?" While this thinks, let's flip over and check out the reference architecture. When we opened up the conversational interface and said, "Hi, what can you do?" we are interfacing with the Amazon Bedrock Agent Core runtime hosting the gateway and the coordinator agent. The coordinator agent will look to see what tools it has access to and what agents are online and running. It will then respond back to the user saying what is available. Let's go ahead and flip back and see what it said. Coming back to the chat interface, you can see that Media Lake and the coordinator agent has responded. You can see here that it's able to understand what is capable and what agents it has available. Here, you can see different things like video analysis, file distribution, and workflow orchestration, as well as different specialized agents that we reviewed, such as the 12 Labs or massive agents. From here, I could take various actions or do other things. In Media Lake, users can search based off of keyword or semantic search. For example, if I come here and type in car racing, it'll search all assets that have metadata that are similar or have car racing or racing in it. You can see the search results here. Using semantic search, it actually searches the content using natural language to understand what is the best match for you. See, here you can see the actual assets that are most closely related to a car racing using semantic search. Now let's go ahead and go into this video. Now, I'm in the video and I can see that it is about cars racing, but I don't actually know exactly what it is, the scenes, or what happens in it. If I go here, I can see the markers and I can see the most relevant clips that relate to my search term, but it still doesn't give me a great summary as to what's happening. Using the conversational interface that we opened up earlier, I could come in here and do something like summarize this video for me. Now, what's happening is that's sending it to the coordinator agent. Let's go ahead and go to the reference architecture and see what's happening. When users first log into Media Lake, they're served with the login page. This is coming from step number 1 at Amazon S3. In step number 2, they'll authenticate using Amazon Cognito before accessing Amazon API Gateway. When users use semantic search, they'll send the request to Amazon API Gateway, and that will query Amazon OpenSearch in step number 4. When I asked it to summarize the video, it sent it to the agentic and generative AI layer in step number 8, where it sent it to the coordinator agent and then to the visual understanding specialized role agent, which is using the 12 Labs Pegasus AI model. Now let's go ahead and go back and see what it had to say. You can see here that the coordinator agent has responded back with an analysis of the video. Here it has provided a race overview and shows that the video features Formula One racing between two primary competitors. It will go over the sequences showing the opening phase, mid-race, and the finale, as well as technical and production elements. From here, you could take this analysis and use it to push to downstream workflows, distribution, or store it in Media Lake as metadata that you could use down the road. In this video, I went through how Media Lake can use semantic search and agents to provide content understanding. Having the ability to perform both allows you to search and find what you need, as well as produce metadata or get detailed answers to questions you have, accelerating your media workflows.